Good morning, students. Do you remember the story of our daydreams till we have learned in the last session? We will go through the story in short. There lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. So the husband thought of buying a few cows. Then wife questioned to husband, "What we will do with so many cows? One cow is enough." The husband replied, "With more number of the cows, the more amount of milk, the more amount of money." So let's continue with the further story. So let's continue with the last passage of the page number 2. "I will see how can you stop me from sending a full pot full of milk to my dear sister." So now here the wife is talking to her husband saying that, "How will you stop me to send the milk to my sister? I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. After all, I am going to do all the hard work for the cows, like baiting them, feeding them, making them walk, milk them. So it's my chance that I will decide what to do with the milk. Just try stopping me," the wife exclaimed. So now the wife has challenged to her husband by saying that, how will you stop to me? Try to stop me with all your efforts. "Is that so?" shouted the husband. Now the husband was angry and he started shouting to his wife. "Watch this then." He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. In anger, the husband went to the room where the earthen pots were kept, and he started taking one by one pot and put onto the downside on the ground. Smash meaning is breaking something. His wife began to scream. Scream meaning is to shout. So the wife started shouting at husband. Gopal Bhan, who was passing by, heard all the commotion. Gopal Bhan is a neighbor who was living near to his house or near to their house. The meaning of commotion is disturbance. So when Gopal Bhan heard that sound of the disturbance, he rushed inside the house of this couple. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. When he heard what had happened, means he was disturbed by listening the sound which was going inside the house of this couple. He came inside their house. He picked up a stout stick. Stout meaning is thick stick that stood in a corner, that was kept in the corner of the room, and began to swish it. Meaning of swish is to hit through the air with a swishing sound. So he threw that stick through the air and pound it on the floor. Meaning of pound is to hit on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. So now it was shocked to this husband and wife that what is this Gopal Bhan doing? The meaning of astounded is very surprised. Antics meaning is foolish ways of behaving. So this husband and wife were shocked to see the very surprised way of Gopal Bhan behaving. Now they asked the question to him, "What are you doing?" They inquired. Means they were eagerly asking the Gopal Bhan that what are you doing? "Move aside," said Gopal Bhan. So now Gopal Bhan said that both of you please move aside. "I have to drive away your greedy cows." So he said that I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander. Meaning of wander is to move about. And now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. So now Gopal Bhan started complaining that your cows have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. Means they have destroyed the field of him. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. Here, the Gopal Bhatt have made a foolishness by behaving with this couple in their tricks. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. So now the husband politely asked Gopal Bhatt that you don't have the field of beans and cucumbers. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhatt stopped wielding the stick. So as soon as he heard that husband saying him that you don't have the field, he stopped wielding them. Wielding meaning is to handle with skill. So he made them foolish by telling all this. The stick and looked at him with the raised eyebrows, means with an expression Gopal Bhatt was looking at him. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell. So now this both of them, that is husband and wife, understood what does the Gopal Bhatt want to make them to realize. Can you tell what he wanted to say? I repeat, can you tell what he wanted to say? So here Gopal Bhatt wanted to put an end to their argument and also make them realize their foolishness. So this was the story of a day dreams. Thank you.